Some say it was built in 1855, while others claim the existence of a sinister. I'm sorry. This is not that kind of video. Hello, everybody. I recently graduated from Exeter, and I thought I'd just show you some footage of an average dorm room for your entertainment. Alright, so we're in. Yeah, gonna give a cheeky smile to the camera. And you see here is the dorm faculty apartment. So that's where the dorm fac lives with their family. So yeah, don't go in there. Yeah, I tripped on these stairs a couple of times. Alright, let's just pause here for 1 second. Now imagine you're 14 years old and you've never been to a boarding school before, and you hear that this school has a $1.3 billion endowment. 1.3 billion, right? So, what do you think the room is going to look like? Well, let's find out.
Do you honestly think you're fucking funny? Seriously.
So obviously, my first impressions weren't that great, but the room is decent. It does the job. So you see, have a desk there. There's one twin bed. So obviously, a shelf is a dresser that's right out of the shot here. We'll turn over there in just a second. Here's a window. Yeah, so you're always provided with one lamp as well. I actually kept it. It was actually on my desk initially, but I had something else that was on my desk. I'll show you later. Yeah, just saying goodbye to everything for one last time, and cleaning out, and moving into the next chapter of my life. And yeah, just gonna check the closet one more time. Just making sure it's clean. Just some good old rust there for good measure. But, it's okay. It does the job, and that's what it's all about. Right, yeah, one final goodbye. Yeah, goodbye desk. But just before we leave, that view, though, that's great. I mean, you see the paths, the outdoor Harkness table, right across is the English building, so it's pretty convenient. Alright, so I'm just gonna quickly show you another single. Just so you understand that this isn't a prank. This is legitimately the space that you have to work with, but we're not gonna go inside, obviously, just because of privacy. Oh, there's someone stuff there. Abort, abort. Okay, okay. Yeah, and this is a double. We'll go in another one that's been completely cleaned up, but as you can see, there's somebody's printer there and all that, and there's actually free printing on campus, so there's no need for a printer, but obviously you can bring certain electrical appliances. There's a big list online if you want to see that of everything you can bring. But this is the double I had when I was a lower. So obviously I have a roommate for. I had a roommate for my first 2 weeks. Yeah, we have another closet here, and you didn't get to see the mirror in the last closet in my room, but every closet has a mirror, obviously. And again, you're always provided with one dresser drawer, one bookshelf, and then one desk, which has a chair as well. They used to give these nice chairs with cushions and all that, but now they just give you these wooden chairs. I guess maybe it's to incentivize you to stay and work. But yeah, that was a parking spaces outside Abbott Hall, so it's really nice that Abbott's really kind of the center of campus. It's right next to the academic buildings. There's some parking spaces there, so again, it's really nice. Now here we have the wild Exonian in his natural habitat. Quite magnificent. Perhaps he is trying to turn in a form he should have turned in a couple of days ago to the deans? Or perhaps is he prowling for food from that building? So here we have on the right the Elizabeth Phillips Academy Center. So that's where you can have the post office. Lots of club meetings happen over here. It's a really nice building, to be honest. It's lots of compared to Abbott. I mean, yeah, it's pretty modern. But yeah, so there's also a grill. That's basically this um, small restaurant, kind of like shop combination where you can shop at. And yeah, this is just some nice views you can get here. It's nice to just sometimes take some nature walks and kind of soak in the landscape. So again, the Elizabeth Phillips Academy Center in all its glory. And yeah, this is just a general view of the quad. And right here, there's going to be a path, as you can see, yeah, to the Academy building. And on the left is the English building. So yeah, this is the view they're obviously going to show in all the promotional stuff, the site and all that. So yeah, now you know where the $1.3 billion went. Now I know there's gonna be some Exonians in the comments saying, "Oh no, Abbott Hall isn't the best. My dorm is better and all that." So let me just flex on you nerds for 1 second. You see Dallas Academy building over there, right? So this is Abbott Hall. I can wake up at 7:50 and not be late for an 8 a.m. class. You say the same? Didn't think so. Alright, so I think I've gone a little bit too crazy with this voiceover, but yeah, that was the English building on the left. That's Wheelwright, another dorm, and then this is Wetherill Dining Hall. There's another dining hall on the other side of campus, next to the library. But yeah, yep, Abbott Hall again. I'm gonna show the parking spaces again. And who's that guy just standing there? Oh God, oh God! I think the admissions office has sent their agents after me. I've revealed too much. Well, I really hope this has worked it then. Alright, guys, if you thought this was helpful, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments below. I'm gonna see you in the next one.